Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to share top 10 AliExpress gadgets which we are using every day, and it's saving our van life experience. And not just that, it's saving our budget, because in the end of the van build it was totally over. But those things actually work. And the first one is of course our linear actuators, which is the part of our bed lift. This is the most common questions we are getting in our comment section, but we want to share that they are from AliExpress. It's nothing fancy. It's 75 centimeters in length and 1500 newtons. Well, at least it said that when we bought them. They are not very fast. It takes around 1 minute to pull it up, but it's doing its job. It was 5 months already for us on the road, and we are happy with the experience and the product itself. The second part I would like to mention would be the beautiful no brand vacuum cleaner. It's totally worth it to have it when you're doing van life, because there's plenty of dust. You're going to be open your windows all the time, and it's very small, compact. It has different attachments. Well, I saw Vicky doing it and changing them, but actually the only one thing that I wanted was the Type-C connection, and it has it. It's charging pretty fast, and we have the charging station, which I'm going to talk about a little bit later. But this vacuum cleaner is strong enough, plenty for all of the van life. 1, 2, 3, and it works wonders, because it's not a huge space. You just need that much of the dust collecting. And of course, in the end of the video we're going to share how much we paid for each product and how would we rate it after using it for half a year. Third item is very small, but those little details make so much difference. For example, each time when we are going shopping, we have the dedicated space for this net, which is holding our shopping bag. It's behind our seating area. We're using it every day. We are using for shopping bags, but I think you could find your own use for it, and still we think it's worth to have it, because you cannot use this space easily because it's moving.
Another item we also bought from AliExpress is our mirror. It has LED inside it. It has 3 different colors, so it really helps when it's winter and you need small light in the morning, not the bright one. We are using it at least 2 times a day, at least for me. Arme is using mostly for the shaving. It chose the bigger size. The smaller was half of it, so the bigger is better for us. And the battery is not so good, but we are trying to manage it, and we are really enjoying the brightness of the LED. Another small detail we bought for the stand is the clock, but we are using it not for the time but for the temperature, because now it's extremely hot and we are checking how much we can manage here.
And talking about the heat, it's around plus 3000 at the moment, and we're trying to fight it with ventilators. We have one here on our rear door. I installed it and I thought it's perfect, but it's far away from perfect. It is very strong though, but it is the minus that we cannot regulate it. It's soaking the air out, but it's pretty noisy as well. I would consider buying a little higher end one to have a switch to put it on a lower level, or in general just to have it a little bit quieter one. But since I added a ton of glue and installed it without possibility to remove it, we will live with it. Well, at least you know the details with exact product, so you can do your own decisions. And what's next, Vicky?
One of the biggest items we bought from AliExpress is our sink. We wanted to find exact size for our countertop to fit it and to be quite a huge for our dishes, and we find the perfect size in AliExpress. We bought it. We are really happy with it. It's really lightweight and we are enjoying it. When we bought it, we only had one of the soap thingies, dispenser, and we were really happy that we found almost exact one in our own shop. But the sink itself really works for us. It's enough space for our dishes, for washing the hair if we need. It just saved a lot of weight for us, because this one weighs around, I'm not sure, 5-6 kilograms, maybe less. We will check how it weighs. And the real ones in the store weighs around, I'm not sure, 15. So we saved a lot of weight for it. And what really helps while doing the dishes for me is these sponge holders. I accidentally found those also on AliExpress, and it's just so easy to put here and don't worry about it. And talking about cleaning, we bought these white sponges and they really works for our countertops. They cleans everything from it, so I'm really happy that we can keep our countertops clean and the white color. But originally I bought those not for the countertops but for the toilet, because our toilet is plastic and it can have some scratches from the black paint.
Because when we fitted the toilet, it's just a few millimeters gap.
So sometimes it gets, you know, bruises, jars, something like that. So I bought 12 of those, but I realized that I only need 6 of those. So 6 I left at home to have in the future, but they are really cute ones. First I thought that I'm gonna put them here, but I realized that they are too tall and they can easily fall out of these racks, so I'm just keeping them in the drawer.
But we found ones, not AliExpress, but from our jam. Also pretty cheap ones after you eat your breakfast, right? We could just bought the sticker and put it on them and it looks like we bought them specifically. But
you know, I was searching for jars to put in those 2 racks, but it's so difficult because our size is so compact and
we need the fat ones.
Yeah.
And there's some small stuff from electricity we bought are the switches. We couldn't find the 20 amp ones in our shop, but we bought it from AliExpress. And they are rated for 20 amps, but actually we needed twice less. That's why I trusted them. And they're doing the job. They're not getting heat or anything. Of course, for a water pump, we need to turn it off when we are not using or leaving a van for a longer time. But there was quite a story with the diesel heater. We were testing the limits when we started our journey. It was still winter. It was cold weather and we decided not to use it, but we were just preparing for bedtime, went into bed, and it was around 11 in the evening and our diesel heater turned on. I thought, what is going on? Where's the switch? Maybe I sit on it or something, and we get told that it's not even here. And we understood that somebody else connected through the Bluetooth to our diesel heater. I cannot imagine coming back and all of your fuel is out or it's too warm to be inside. Whatever, those kind of surprises is not what we want. To have a switch for your diesel heater is mandatory. And in case you think that, oh, you didn't put a password on your diesel heater, you cannot do it on this specific model. So yeah, that was the solution and the crazy story we had. I just remember that those switches are also from AliExpress. We're using it for a DC-DC. It's mostly off because it's the summertime and the solar panel is blasting so much that our batteries are almost full all the time. Thank you, Patreon members. You make Mike, Arthur, Tanya, Sylvain, and Paul. You are our heroes because the budget is pretty tight and we want to travel all around Europe and see all of the countries. Talking about the last video, we launched the giveaway. Sometimes it's pretty difficult when you're ending your van build and to plan everything. Just long story short, last video, all the details about the Trelino toilet giveaway.
And it's good to have toilet in your van.
It's not just for emergencies, believe me, it's mandatory. Let's come back to electronics. Shower LED lights, it's so good to have them on a low power when you're early morning, sleepy, don't want blasting to your eyes, or you're about to go to bed, you go to toilet and you don't want to them be very shiny, so it's good to have them like this. But when you're having a shower, and it was a special request from Vicky to have it bright like this. Personally, when I'm shaving, I want to have huge light. It's so cozy to have a shower and see everything clearly. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but it's very useful gadget. It's pretty cheap. We're using it almost every day, and it's not that hard to install it as well. So much devices waiting on the line for those USB ports. It's so useful. We have 4 of them in our van, but I would not add less than that. They're doing their job perfectly. They have a fast charge. They're getting a little bit of heat, but actually they're just, I don't know, fit our needs perfectly. The one on the other side, and we have one on the driver area over here. It's painted blue just because not to be seen that much.
And one we have under the table, and that one we are using the least, I believe.
Yeah, if you're using and putting them, keep in mind that put them on the most convenient places where you actually need them. For example, on those both sides. Of course, maybe you're not using for camera equipment or drone. Forgot that we have also the speaker. I definitely sure that we have more devices, but they're very useful, and they're withstanding half a year at the moment, using them also every day. I would say it's worth having them. These are top 10 AliExpress products which we think that will help every van lifer. If you have something that worked for you or don't worked, just to be aware of it, share in the comments with our community. And thank you for watching, and see you next video.